into besenza ngomculo wethu abantu bayakhala ngomculo wethu awunanga umculo wethu but yabo umculo wethu conscious
like awungongo nomculo ocabanga umculo wasegaming ingathi bangathi abantu ukhona umculo wasegaming
abantu bayaboreka umculo wethu yabo izekelo yabo thina siya motivational umculo wethu so umculo ka motivational awumanyelwa namuntu wonke la umculo wokufana
sure
yabo like let's say umzekelo babe thina ngefana yabo for everyone yabo yonke youth imamela nabantu yabo just performance way like serious class abantu bazosthathe serious yabo
so which means le minyango zinhliziyo zabo lelo bayivu
yabo senzo yabo ngezo
zinhliziyo zabo
iveza ngandlela zonke
wavula iminyango like wasifulele umculo babawungena
bawunika chance umculo because unceda bona xa behleli bodwa yabo unceda bona xa behleli bodwa abantu bayawumamela lemiculo
bayathatha thuzi phaya
yabo abanye baconfessa xa siphuma estage abantu bayobraz ngomeleza yabo
kambelile la esho
no
onanzi ngapha kwespeak emnyango which means so sivuleleni emnyango like semnyango jo yabo slap yabo
reason being why the equipment emnyango yabo that's another question yabo why is it emnyango
what's really magnificent I'm thinking of the past girl now my heart is broken think of the days when we used to chill together
yabo
watching movies with cinema she said
those are the things that just not chat up is kwazo is why the way kuthiwa emnyango because those questions ozozibuza xa ku-interview yabo so wenzela into yokubana ngaba umntu angabe kubuza ngezona uba why into akamamelela tip uzayibona uzayiva chaza yonke into yabo mhlawumbe uthule trick-based I choose as content for me
can't feeling irie kunye ngathi yamina bazali baweli